Hi everyone, it's Aisha Chidaway. I am a trademark attorney here in Orlando, Florida, but I represent clients with their trademark matter all over the United States or internationally if you'd like to trademark your brand here in the United States. My number is 407-995-6567. So today in the world of trademark, I want to talk about what is an intent to use trademark versus an actual use trademark. So really, the difference simply means that one mark is already being used currently and the other mark is an intent to use. So when is the best time to use an intent to use mark? So if you feel like, your brand or your mark is at risk once you introduce it or announce it to be infringed upon before you even start your brand or your business, then that is a good time to file an intent to use mark. So it protects your mark even before you start using it. And then an actual use mark is basically you saying that you're already using the mark in commerce, you're already using this business, and you can trademark my brand. And then what is the difference? So in order for an intent to use to fully register, it eventually has to be an actual use brand, meaning the mark has to then start being used before they will actually issue a registration. So, with an actual use, your mark is already in use. They will issue a registration when they're done with the process. With the intent to use, they will send you, they would request a statement of use from you to show that you've started using the mark. And then once you provide that and you go through the entire process, you'll be able to register that. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love for you to share it with your friends and family who have intellectual property that they were trying to protect. And again, my number is 407-995-6567. Bye.